I'm James, I'm the CEO of Aerobotics. My role as CEO is to set the general business strategy and then make sure that everyone in the business is happy and aligned to our vision. We've built a very good team here, so if I can make sure everyone's pulling in the same direction, then we will achieve the maximum we can. We're the defenders of the tree crop. So what that means is we're helping secure the production of high-value crops, and we're doing that by providing better data through the agricultural value chain, right from monitoring problems at an early stage through to detecting pests and diseases and predicting yield. So in that way, the whole agricultural value chain has much better and more timeous data to make decisions on. Aerobotics is actually my first job. So Benji and I started the company 5 years ago, right after we completed our masters. And my masters was at MIT in Boston, where I did aeronautics and astronautical engineering. I think one of the highlights for me was when we started transitioning the company in the early days from the two founders running everything and starting to hire some key individuals into the business. So one of the examples there is bringing Sadik into the business, who is the first person to take over manufacturing the drones, testing those, and training the clients. And that was exciting for us because I'd met Sadik a few months before, and he was really a guru in the drone space. And to bring someone like that into the business was very exciting for me back then. And of course, those moments have happened throughout the history of the business. We've been just bringing in better and better people that have been able to advance the business and also teach me a lot and help me to grow. Outside of work, which is not that much time, I like to go to the beach. Any activities in the sea, like diving, I really enjoy. And I also like building things. So I'm currently designing and building a four-legged walking robot based on the Spot Mini from Boston Dynamics. I feel like a lot of the people around the world would probably choose this, but I'd like to have dinner with Elon Musk. I'd like to pick his brains on how he takes seemingly impossible ideas and makes them a reality. And I think we're doing a little bit of that here at Aerobotics.